Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 8th of February 2021 and in this video we are going to see all the important current affairs from 8th of February 2021. Our first question is the central government has recently announced to establish a new wetland protection and management center in dash. Answer is option number 2, Chennai. Recently, the central government of India has announced that it will soon establish a new wetland protection and management center in Chennai, and the purpose of this establishing the wetland protection and management center is to solve the knowledge gaps and specific research needs in wetland protection and management. Answer will be option number 2, Chennai. Next, which of the following day has recently celebrated as International Day of Human Fraternity? Answer is option number 1, 4th February. Recently, 4th February has been celebrated as International Day of Human Fraternity. It aims to emphasize the importance of raising awareness of different cultures and regions or beliefs and promoting tolerance. It also aims to educate people about tolerance, diverse traditions, mutual respect, and diversity of religions and beliefs to promote human fraternity. Theme for 2020's International Day of Human Fraternity is the pathway to the future. Answer will be option number 1, 4th February. Next question is, which of the following day has recently celebrated as World Wetland Day? Answer is option number 1, 2nd February. World Wetland Day is recently celebrated on 2nd of February 2021. The day is the date when the Wetlands Convention was adopted in the Iranian city of Ramsar on February 2nd, 1971. The theme for 2020's World Wetland Day is Wetlands and Water, and it was first celebrated in 1997. Answer will be option number 1. Next question is, which of the following day has recently celebrated as World Cancer Day? Answer is option number 1, 4th February. Recently, 4th February has been celebrated as World Cancer Day, and it is celebrated to spread awareness, inspire change, and reduce the global impact of cancer. The day is celebrated on 4th of February every year, and this year marks the ultimate year of the I Am and I Will campaign, which began in 2019. The aim of this day, or aim of World Cancer Day, is to reduce misconceptions about cancer and to help people in getting the right information about it. Answer will be option number 1. Which cricket team has won the 2020-21 Syed Mustaq Ali T20 trophy? Answer is option number 1, Tamil Nadu. Recently, Tamil Nadu has won the Syed Mustaq Ali T20 trophy, beating Baroda in the final match. Answer will be option number 1, Tamil Nadu. The Syed Mustaq Ali trophy is a domestic T20 cricket championship in India organized by BCCI, that is Board of Control for Cricket in India, among the teams from Ranji Trophy. It is named, or this trophy has been named after the famous Indian Test cricketer Syed Mustaq Ali. In 2020-21, Syed Mustaq Ali Trophy was the 12th edition of this trophy, or of this tournament, and it has been played between 10th January to 31st of January 2021. Answer will be option number 1, Tamil Nadu. Next question is, 16th edition of the US Indo Joint Military Exercise Yuddha Abhyas will be held in dash between February 8 to 21, 2021. Answer is option number 1, Rajasthan. The 16th edition of Indo-US Joint Military Exercise called Yuddha Abhyas will be held in Rajasthan between February 8 to 21, and this exercise aims at enhancing cooperation and interoperability between the two armies and will focus on counter-terrorism operations under the United Nations mandate. Answer will be option number 1, Rajasthan. Rajasthan, look at map. This is Rajasthan. Capital is Jaipur. Governor is Kalraj Mishra. Chief Minister is Ashok Gehlot. Its legislature has 200 seats. 25 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 10 members are elected to Rajya Sabha from Rajasthan. It borders with Punjab, Haryana, UP, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. It is the largest state by area in India and 5th largest by population in India, and Panchayat Raj was first adopted in Rajasthan on 2nd of October 1959. Next question is, which of the following country has banned travelers from 20 countries including India? Answer is option number 4, Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia has recently banned travelers from 20 countries from entering into the country including India, and the rule has come into effect in order to curb COVID-19 infections as a new strain is making the rounds of countries across the world. Answer will be option number 4, Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia, look into them. This is Saudi Arabia. Capital is Riyadh. Riyadh is the capital of Saudi Arabia. King is Salman and currency of Saudi Arabia is Saudi Riyal. Next question is, who among the following has recently become the youngest female pilot in India? Answer is option number 3, Aisha Aziz. Look at the image. This is Aisha Aziz. She is a 25-year-old Indian girl and recently she has become the youngest female pilot in India in 2011. At the age of 16, Aisha has become the youngest student pilot to get a license and subsequently underwent training to fly MiG-29 jet at Russia's Sokol Air Base, and she has been graduated from Bombay Flying Club and got her commercial license in 2017. Answer will be option number 3, Aisha Aziz. Next question is, what is India's rank in Democracy Index 2020, which has been recently released by EIU, that is Economic Intelligence Unit? Answer is option number 4, 53. The Democracy Index 2020 covers nearly 167 countries and it has classified the economies in categories such as flawed democracies, full democracies, hybrid regimes and authoritarian regimes, and this index has been topped by Norway, or Norway is at the first number, and second, third, fourth and fifth number has been secured by Iceland, Sweden, New Zealand, Canada respectively, and India's rank has degraded by 2 places from the previous year ranking. This year India has been ranked at 53rd place. Answer will be option number 4, 53rd. Now we will quickly revise the questions of our last video. Our first question was, the 5th joint meeting of India-Japan Act East Forum has been recently held in dash. Answer is option number 3, New Delhi. Which of the following day has recently been celebrated as Indian Coast Guard Day? Answer is option number 3, 1st February. The Indian government has signed a $500 million agreement with Dash for strengthening teaching, learning and result for states program, that is STARS program, to improve the quality of school education in India. Answer is option number 3, World Bank. Who among the following has been appointed as the new CEO of Ayushman Bharat scheme? Answer is option number 2, R.S. Sharma. First dog park in South India will be established in dash. Answer is option number 4, Chandigarh. Who has been recently appointed as the new president of Asian Cricket Council? Answer is option number 3, Jay Shah. Which of the following state government has recently launched the agriculture pump power connection policy? Answer is option number 2, Maharashtra. Which of the following country has topped the medals tally at the first Asia online shooting championship? Answer is option number 4, India. And now answer of the question which was asked in last video. Question was, which of the following day is celebrated as Pravashi Bharatiya Divas annually? Answer is option number 1, 9th January. Every year 9th January is celebrated as Pravashi Bharatiya Divas in India. Now today's question is, which of the following institute has recently developed a 9mm machine pistol called ASMI? Options are Gun Factory Kharagpur, HAL, HAL, ISRO and DRDO. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we will discuss the question in the next video.